Are you looking for the best PC build under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best PC build under $1,000. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Storage drive, Western Digital 2 TB. There are a lot of choices available for you when it comes to storage drives for your system. Apart from different models, you can also choose between a SATA HDD, a SATA SSD, or an NVMe SSD for your system. Out of which, the NVMe SSDs are best for a high-speed storage drive. Therefore, we are picking up the Western Digital 2 TB WD Blue SN570 for this build. This is a 1 TB NVMe SSD that works with the Gen 3 X4 PCIe slot and offers nearly 8 gigabits per second bandwidth capacity. The read and write speeds of this SSD are up to 3.3 Gbps and 1.2 Gbps respectively, which is much faster than a SATA HDD or even a SATA SSD. It has 2 TB storage capacity, 3 Gbps read speed, 2 Gbps write speed. Works with Gen 3 X4 PCIe ports. Number 4. Power supply, ARESGAME AGV series. As you may already know, the choice of your PSU affects the performance of your entire system, whether it is your CPU, GPU, or memory drives. Therefore, we are choosing the ARESGAME AGV series power supply to avoid such problems. This is a 750 watts PSU rated 80 plus bronze in terms of efficiency, making it ideal for our build. And this is a semi-modular PSU which makes cable management slightly easier. Since this is an ATX PSU, it will fit perfectly with our PC case choice. You will get 5 years of warranty on this PSU, which is pretty good and pretty much necessary for such a powerful option. 750 watts power capacity. 80 plus bronze efficiency rating. Comes with 5 years of warranty. Semi-modular PSU. ATX PSU for perfect installation. Number 3. PC case, Thermaltake Versa. The choice for your PC case also impacts your PC build and the components you can choose for your build. Therefore, we have decided to go with an ATX Thermaltake Versa H570 Black Mid-Tower PC case, which will not only house the current build specifications with ease, but also offer you a lot of room for future upgrades. This PC case has a perforated metal panel on the front as well as the top for added durability. It also comes with a 120mm rear fan pre-installed on the case for the exhaust. You will find a 3+3+3 drive bay on this cabinet for extended storage compatibility. For additional cooling, you can also install 3 120mm fans at the front for intake. This case supports up to 160mm tall CPU coolers and a GPU up to 375mm in length. Metal panels at the front and the top. Comes with a 120mm fan pre-installed with space available for 3 more. 3+3+3 drive bay configuration. Up to 160mm tall CPU coolers are supported. Up to 375mm GPUs are supported. Number 2. Motherboard, GIGABYTE B760M. When it comes to buying a motherboard, you don't have a lot of choices left once you have finalized a CPU. And for our Intel Core i7-12700KF CPU, there are even fewer choices left that offer the LGA 1700 socket and still fall under a budget-focused price range like the GIGABYTE B760M DS3HAX. This is a budget motherboard that has the MATX form factor and support for DDR5 memory to enable fast system performance. You will have 2 M.2 PCI SSD slots on this board along with Wi-Fi support and a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port. As for other connectivity options, it features a 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, 3 high-speed USB ports, and 2 standard USB ports. You will also find 4 DIMM slots on this board for up to 128 GB memory capacity. LGA 1700 CPU socket and B760 chipset. MATX form factor. Supports DDR5 memory. It has 2 M.2 SSD slots. Wi-Fi enabled motherboard. Number 1. CPU, Intel Core i7-12700KF. A lot of buyers would prefer to go with an Intel-based PC build, as Intel has a lot of powerful options available from the 12th Gen CPU series right now, which are perfect for a lot of applications. The Intel Core i7-12700KF is one such option that has 12 cores and 20 threads, which offer enough power to handle heavy games as well as multitask easily. It also has a core distribution of 8 P-cores and 4 E-cores for balanced performance. This CPU offers up to 5 GHz clock speed along with a high core and thread count, and it is unlocked before shipping. The TDP of this CPU is also only 125 watts, which offers more room for a powerful GPU, even with an affordable PSU. One of the best options from the Intel 12th Gen series. It has 12 cores and 20 threads. Works at 5 GHz clock speed. 8 P-cores and 4 E-cores. It has a TDP of 125 watts.